In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook. We all know how overwhelming an inbox can get, especially when important emails get buried under a pile of less urgent ones. To help manage this, Outlook provides a range of filtering options that can make your email experience more organized and efficient. Let's dive right in and see how you can utilize these filters to your advantage. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Outlook website and enter your credentials to access your email dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look towards the left side of the screen and find the inbox option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of the email panel. You'll see 3 lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on these lines will reveal a list of filtering options that Outlook offers. These options include filtering by unread emails, flagged emails, emails addressed specifically to you, emails with attachments, emails where you're mentioned, and those containing calendar invites. Let's start by clicking on the unread option if you're looking to catch up on any emails you haven't opened yet. This filter is particularly helpful for ensuring you don't miss any new messages that might require your attention. Next, if you need to check emails that you've marked for follow-up, click on the flagged option. This makes it easy to quickly revisit messages that you've identified as needing further action. If you're interested in emails that are specifically addressed to you, select the To Me filter. This is useful for focusing on messages where you're the primary recipient, especially if you're part of many group emails. For those emails that contain attached files, use the Has Files filter. This is a great way to locate emails with important documents or images without having to scroll through your entire inbox. Should you want to find emails where you're mentioned, the Mentions Me filter will be your best friend. This is particularly handy in collaboration settings where colleagues might tag you in email threads. Lastly, if you're looking for emails that contain calendar invites, the Calendar Invites filter will help you find those event notifications quickly. This ensures you never miss an important meeting or appointment. By using these filters, you can streamline your inbox management, making it easier to focus on what matters most. Remember, a tidy inbox leads to a more productive day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try out these email filtering techniques in your Outlook account today.